No matter where you are, help and support is just a phone call away. Dial 1097 HIV/AIDS National Helpline toll-free number.
Kum Shibinta Banyadai Jingsley Kabaman Kapona Umkra ka 67 Battalion Jong Central Reserve Police Force Kabadan Hapulu Ringkat Kadobars Nong Laumali Kila Pelong Jimpun Ko Yakawa Kapasdang Nadu Jinkieng But Kot Haduk Jinkieng Laumali Yakare Jimpun Ko Yakawa Da CRPF Ringkat Kadobars Nong Laumali Hapo Jingelam Jong Rang Bas Nong Ba Halang Kongwer Bat Layadon Lang U Komandan Jong CRPF U Alok Bhattacharya La Saki ya kejingla ban kori ke jabo ke belatoj bat kani ke jempun koi ke day ke belale mental sibnai hakani ke jempun koi la ye bagi CRPF ke penun kam te kipu silom ban kor ya ke jaklia bat nakaliang u komanda walu Bhattacharya wa yetu bakani ke jempun koi ya kani kawa kalau kawan kum sibenta ke jing pentrai kam ya ke civic action plan bat la yetu ru ba ansa pelong ya ke jing thong ding hasilun ter jong kani kawa ban penitanat ya ka Katban nakaliang urang basnong ke Laumali ba Halang Kongwer la penpau ya jing sngongo ya ka CRPF ka Bahapulu Laumali ke balawan ban panjing arab nak snong nakamta pen pungko ya ka wa mukra perlu ai kublai kerpang ya ki ba kilalong ki baklo banyak trailang ban ka snong ban pungko ya ka ni ka wa namar ka di ka temsa jong ka kabadon ha uput usam jong ka snong Laumali.
Okay, first of all, we are honored and privileged to be able to help in the cleanliness drive within the city of Shillong. We're extremely grateful to the Darbar Shnong Laumali for having helped us in this initiative. The background is that our CRPF 67th Battalion headquarters is stationed right next to the Umkra River at Polo Bazaar. Over a period of time, the river had been, faced a lot of garbage issues over many years. So there's a lot of dumping, and which caused a lot of deposition on the riverbed, which also caused a lot of erosion on the river banks. And other than polluting the river and the environment, it was also causing a lot of inundation within our camp. So this was a practical problem for us, and to settle this, we approached the Darbar Shnong Laumali, and with their support and advice, we initiated this program, where the first phase was to clear the riverbed of all the garbage that has been accumulated over the years, and then carry out some kind of excavation so that the flow of the river water is eased. So we're very happy to say that the progress so far has been encouraging, and we hope to mitigate the problems in the coming season. The total stretch, this is from the Polo Bazaar bridge to the bridge that you have next to Ganesh Das Hospital. So that's almost a kilometer. And she has also expressed her support to this initiative. At the same time, we have also approached the Darbar Shnong, and with the help of the citizenry and the administration here, I think this is a problem that can be solved over a period of time. We intend to continue for the next many years in a periodic periodic and phased manner. Right now, we are doing this before the start of the rainy season. Once the rains start, then a lot of activities are restricted. So we'll see what is the progress during this rainy season. But we'll continue, and we'll see what the effect of the rains this time are, and we'll do a similar kind of exercise in the next dry season as well.
Abas sedang ni ai base hai because 67 battalion CRP kibala sedang ban ni shit ban dia pakhat ban khoi kene wam khra mar mo fi mentai kene wam khra jing jebot ka kaladang kiu expa men no aspa sha bajulong menchwa di dak jing sedang ke 67 battalion CRPF ni nak sedang ru kilai falang banya don kalang bani tingin nak sedang ru ni kham rnga hin mar ni soba ka jing khoi ka de gawe ka ba kongsan e hakni ka habangi pej mata sinu ni tangjing jebo sa tingi kawam khrale ke digwe ke ba ni agni sem ke bla le ni jing jebo kala long ka palat sa do ba kibun giseng ki bla ya persiang man khoi rei kinia pun khoi tang sisien lanu ka kamnum wan ka jing kata ka jing khoi jo kwa lo de ki melai ba pun khoi hata ka kom ka ba biang ka jing penben nak liang ki department of fair mumla wan khoi ada ki wan ban pun khoi hata ka kom ka ba ki sim ta ka kan long bai ta ka puak au man pun khoi tang sisien lanu tum ba kendit na ba yo thia ka kanuman ka jing khoi dia ni kentui ki noksosnong nomor ba ki di noksosnong ki ba wara ka jing jebo ko wa nomor ba ka jing bret pathare ka nyut ka nyer ka long ka bangimla ban suthu shu kumno ka ni ka nyut ka kit ka wa miswa ka wa ka ba khoi rei mata ka la shu jebo tang ka jing bret pathar kata ka jing jaitu jing ki tang ban bret ki nyut ki kali ki nyut ka di koi ka ba wara jing jebo wa pat kinala ki betul saka wa mkhra ru ka di koi ka ba long ka wa mkhra ba kan ni mta ba kan ka wat ka rong jong ka waru kala nak ba jernya menshwa nak ba khoi menshwa sa ka ba yong menta ti ting pinda khat la da mon su slap ni ti ngimla shu ban tip kan no ka ni ka wa khra kan jebo